Tired of overpaying for shipping and struggling to manage orders? Let's unlock serious savings and efficiency by integrating Pirate Ship with your Shopify store. First, log into your Shopify account and navigate to the app section on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Next, visit the Shopify App Store and type in Pirate Ship in the search bar. Find the Pirate Ship app and click on it. Now, click the Edit button on the Pirate Ship app listing page. This will start the installation process. You'll be prompted to grant Pirate Ship access to your Shopify data. Review the permissions, and then click Install App to continue. Fantastic! You're now connected. Pirate Ship will automatically sync your Shopify orders, making it incredibly easy to purchase and print discounted shipping labels in just a few clicks. You can start selecting orders, choose your preferred shipping options, and print labels at significantly lower rates than you'd get at the post office. Boost your profits and streamline your workflow today with this powerful integration.